So it looks like the market is going parabolic, the stock market. E-mini S&P NightTrader is long last night, about to hit its profit target 32.10.50. It needs to hit 32.24.50, about half a point away. So we'll see if we get that profit target right here while we're making this video, quarter point away from the highs. And really strong, powerful move as we go into Christmas. If I'm manually watching this right now, I would be tempted to take that trade, but it hit that profit target right there at the high of the day so far. So huge parabolic move, just really pushing on the liquidity in this market, or lack of liquidity during Christmas time, really just steamrolling higher. NightTrader captured this move. I'm going to show you some other strategies that are also catching this move. If you're having a difficult time wondering how to catch these moves, this is the stock index portfolio. I've divided it into two workspaces now for 2020. I'll probably space these out a little bit better, but I've removed some and then put them in the other workspace and added some more strategies. So the Asia 4 strategy hit its profit target. It has a $1,500 profit target, hit that last night on a multi-day trade. 60-minute breakout, hit its profit target in the NQ. And we have also in this portfolio is NightTrader, hit its profit target just now while we were online. The 60-minute breakout ES is long, and I'm wondering if the 60-minute breakout NQ will get long at some point today. Those are the four strategies that are trading. The stock index swing had a short loss the other day, but today all the long strategies are getting in on the action. And this is the all strategy access for the stock index portfolio. We had the webinar yesterday. So those are the trades on the day. A lot of these moves, it's just a flurry to capture this move at night, it seems like. Now I would anticipate, since it's Friday, that it will chop 32.24, 32.25 area. It seems like it will just maybe chop intraday, because now ES is up 12, and maybe the action is over today. Maybe it's not. So that is what's going on as we come into the Friday before Christmas on a Wednesday, and we see oftentimes this move where the market moves up at night and then chops during the day. So most of the action may be over by now, or maybe we'll get more steamrolling higher. Interesting market, as so much upside. And I talked about this yesterday. I want to show you this again. So here's a day session chart of the E-mini S&P, and what we saw, interesting time and symmetry lining up. So what we saw, say in December of last year, was right here, massive move down, just straight down. And so we're coming into this December, not as much, the point value is not as high, but if you look at this overall move, you have some symmetry, because the market sold off the day before Christmas and the day after Christmas. Right there, it did make a low as the same low as on December 24th, but it rallied. And so since December 26th of 2018, the market has pretty much rallied. And you see some pullbacks, but it's rallied. And so what you have here, if you draw a straight line through this, it's kind of a midpoint, and we get this, what I call a 1 over X move, because if you plot 1 over X, it kind of resembles this, and then it goes up. And so this middle line right here, the move down, is about the same distance as this move up. And I call it the 1 over X move. And you see, kind of, taking all this into account, you see this move down and then kind of a move up. And so the middle line is somewhere in there, depending on if you could draw it here, or if you draw it here. It's somewhere. There's a lot of symmetry. Time symmetry and price distance symmetry is lining up very well for potential short between now and the end of the year, because remember, the market started rallying on December the 26th. What if the market just almost does the exact opposite direction. Same thing, just straight down, nothing could stop it. Now it's like going straight up, nothing can stop it. What if it does that into Christmas, and then the day after Christmas it mean reverts to this channel, kind of this channel? So interesting price action. We'll see what happens. I see this move in the markets a lot these days intraday, and I couldn't help but notice this on the charts. And so I am open to any type of price action that happens, but I'm watching this particular price action for a potential setup after Christmas for a short. Just wanted to share that with you.